And go.
Guys, so stressed. I feel like I'm drowning
Hey guys! Let's take a break. We can't study all night. We need to recharge and relax. Hey guys! You're doing great! We are doing safe. We're all in this together. Hey guys, let's take a break. We can't study all night. We need to recharge and relax. Hey, you're doing great. Don't be so hard on yourself. We're all in this together. We're all struggling. I'm not as careful as I seem. I just try to focus on the positive.
Sir is in a good mood today. Today lang. Sir is just like our advisor. Sir is really fun and silly. So, kita kay Mama Angeline. Maghaba. Parang MLK na yata. English class, Sir Patrick is fun and full of happiness. We always laugh when Sir Patrick sometimes jokes about love or something that we can relate to. Or minsan naisip ko ninyo ang corny ng Sir.